In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message a seller on Temu. Whether you're seeking more details about a product or need assistance with your purchase, reaching out to a seller is a useful skill to have. So let's get started on this straightforward process. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Temu website. This is where we'll begin our journey today. Feel free to sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the main page, explore the menu to find the product you are interested in or one link to a specific store you need to contact. Once you find the product listing from the desired store, give it a click to dive into the details. As you gaze upon the product details page, your mission is to find the item ID. This little string of characters is often found within the product description or sometimes at a designated spot labeled item ID. This unique identifier helps sellers know exactly which product you're inquiring about, so make sure to jot it down. Now, with your item ID safely noted, let's move on to the support section of the site, which is typically found in the footer or within your account menu. This is your portal to Temu's customer care, including the opportunity to chat. Once you're in the support area, take a moment to look for an option that says Chat with Temu. Clicking this will open up a dialog box where you can communicate with their assistance team. Begin your chat by politely requesting to be connected to the shop corresponding to your item ID. You might say something like, "Hi, I'd like to be connected with the shop selling this item." At this point, you'll want to provide the item ID which you previously noted down. Paste or type the ID into the chat so the support agent can precisely identify the product in question. This helps streamline the process and ensures that you'll be directed to the right seller. The agent will use the item ID to find the exact product and will then assist in connecting you to the seller's shop. This may happen directly in the chat or through a link that will redirect you to correspond directly with the seller. And there you have it. Once you're connected, you can communicate with the seller regarding your inquiry. This method is designed to be as user-friendly and efficient as possible. So remember, finding the item ID and knowing where to chat with support are crucial elements of this process. By following these simple steps, you're all set to effectively reach out to any vendor on Temu. Happy shopping and good luck with your inquiries!